Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 7 Lesson 11 homework. So let's get started. Number 1. Samson tessellates regular hexagons to make the shape below. So A, outline the perimeter of Samson's new shape with a highlighter. So go ahead, get your highlighter. I have my highlighter right here, pink. So the perimeter, remember, is the border of a shape. So the outline of a shape. I'm just gonna outline and trace the outside. Not gonna go in and trace in, I'm only tracing the outside. Alright, so that is the perimeter. Now explain how Samson can use can use a string to measure the perimeter of his new shape. All he could do was take the string and outline, go along the perimeter with the string and mark where the string ends. And then he can go ahead and measure it to see how long the perimeter is. Alright, so I'm gonna write that down. Samson could trace the perimeter with a string and mark where it ends. Then he can, let's see what he can do. He can measure with a ruler. So, now C says how many sides does his new shape have? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I guess 18 sides. D says shade in the area of his new shape with the colored pencil. Alright, got my colored pencil. And area, remember, is how much space the shape takes. So it's just the inside. I'm going to shade in the inside of this shape. Okay? Alright. So we did that. Now number 2. Estimate to draw at least 4 copies of the given triangle to make a new shape. Without gaps or overlaps, outline the perimeter of your new shape with the highlighter. Shade in the area with the colored pencil. Alright, so let's see how we could do this. I'm just going to first connect it. Maybe do another one here. And obviously more than one way. But if you're thinking, I think I'm gonna try to do hexagon. So, I have my shape, outline the perimeter. Alright, this is the perimeter. And shade in the area with the colored pencil. Slightly shade inside my new shape. So there you go. Alright, next page. Oh no. It's okay. Number 3 says the marks on the strings below the perimeters of so the Marks on the strings below show the perimeters of Shayla's and Frank's shapes. Whose shape has a long gray perimeter? How do you know? Well, since Frank's string is longer, that means it measures a longer perimeter. Since we're using the string to trace around the perimeter and marking it and seeing where it ends, Frank's string ends longer, so that means that shape has a greater perimeter. So Frank's has a greater perimeter since he marked it where it stopped. So it stopped later than Shiloh's string. Alright, number 4. India and Theo use the same shape to create the tessellation shown below. Estimate to draw the shape that India and Theo used to make the tessellations. We can tell they're using squares. You're using the same shape over and over. So I'm just going to draw it out. Shade the top half. And B, Theo says both tessellations have the same perimeter. Do you think Theo's right? Why not? Well, I think Theo's right. Right? Because if you look at his shape, if you just rotate it kind of, it's the same shape if you just look at it, but it's just rotated differently. So if it's the same shape, it would have the same perimeter. So, yes, because it's the same shape, but rotated. So same shapes. If it was the same shape, it would have same perimeter. So, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!